Hey everybody, it's Nat, and if you're interested on how I created this makeup look, please stay tuned. Here you will see me moisturize my lips with my EOS Lip Balm in Vanilla. Just prepping those lips. Next I'm going to use my Milani eye primer. This is really good eye primer. A good foundation for your eyeshadow. Next I'm using my Morphie 3502 palette to create my eye look. Here I'm using my Dr. Brandt illuminating primer to prime my face. I'm going in now with my orange concealer to neutralize the darkness under my eyes. This works really good. It's by ANASTASIA Beverly Hills. And if you've gotten this far in the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It's free 99. And while you're doing that, go ahead and hit that notification bell, so when your girl uploads a video, you'll be notified. Alright, here's my Maybelline Superstay foundation in warm coconut. Not the perfect match, but I'm gonna make this work because I tried regular coconut and that didn't look like a match either. I'm actually doing a foundation hunt to find my perfect foundation because it's really hard to color match me, but this is working. I'm going to make this work. After I put on my foundation, I start my highlighting process. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. I'm going to use this under my eyes and in all those good places on my forehead, down my nose, Cupid's bow, to highlight those areas. I'm gonna also place my contour down while I let that highlighter sit for a second. I like to let my highlighter sit for a second before I start to blend it out. Here you see me going in with my Laura Mercier powder to set the highlight. And once I let that, while I let that sit for a while, I'm going to take out my IMAN powder and put it all over my face. Next, I'm going to use my BADESCU powder to kind of set everything, keep it from looking so powdery. I'm going in with this powder to set my contour. It's by Black Radiance. Forgot that for a second. Next, I'm going to use my CoverGirl Queen Collection powder in Ebony Bronze to kind of put some color on my face. I use it on my cheeks, sometimes, yeah, my forehead as well. Bring some color back, some dimension. And now I'm putting on my lashes. It's a process. The best tip I can give you about putting on lashes, if you are just learning, is to let the glue get tacky. Make sure it's not wet when you put it on, because they'll just like slide right off. So let them get tacky as possible without let them dry all the way. And now I'm using my Better Than Sex mascara. Here's my Fenty Beauty and Gingerbread Jam Moscow Mule, and I'm using it for an inner corner highlight and the highlight on the side of my face.